Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back to our channel, and today video I will show you how to edit image from your Android smartphone. Alright, so first, before we get started, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Alright, so first we go to gallery and you're gonna select the photo that you're gonna edit. For example, I'm gonna choose this one, right? So here you can see the boot button. Just click the pencil icons, like this, and then you're gonna see the functions. And the first, just right here, you can crop the image. You can choose the side. For example, I'm gonna crop like square side, and you're gonna save, and then you want to you're gonna put some more color. Use these ones, right? Use the light. You can edit whatever you want. Okay, and here you can write text. Right, and you put your color, whatever, just put here. And stickers, you can use sticker also. Gonna put like this for today, right? And here you can choose whatever. Alright, so and then I'm gonna click save. So that easy. So you don't have to know Photoshop, you don't have to know Illustrator. You just know how to edit from your Android smartphone. You don't have to download any app. Alright, I go to check my photo. So first here you can see it's from the previous ones. Alright, so hope you like this video, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.